Hi everybody, it's Margie from Homestead. So today we're going to talk a little bit about hard to reach windows. So basically there aren't a lot of options for hard to reach windows. The first would be a manual control. So that's the old tried and true way when there was no other option to use. So basically your shade would cover the opening and you would have a cord that hangs much further below the window so that you can reach the cord. Not the prettiest. If you are going to do it that way, I might suggest doing a loop cord. It's a little easier to operate versus something that you have to tug to the right or to the left, like a cord lock or a retractable system. The next option would be to mount the shade in the window again, but then keep it with a cordless control. So a cordless control, obviously you have to reach this, or at least you have to reach higher up on the window to get the shade to lift and lower. So the only time I really recommend this is if you tell me, I'm really not going to lift this shade, I just want it closed all the time. You can opt for light filtering fabric, which lets the light come in, or if it's a bedroom and you want a room darkening fabric, just know that you can't reach this. The only way you're going to get to it is a ladder or a step stool for those times that you do want to use it. So if you choose this option where there is no cord to control it with and it's cordless and you can't reach it, some products have an extension pole that you can use where the pole will reach up higher than you are and grab the handle and operate it from a distance. So that is an option if you choose this. So the third way, and probably the most desirable way, would be to put the shade on a motor, and with the remote control that you can operate from anywhere in the room, or you can program it to never even have to operate it. It'll go up and down by itself. But this way you can make the shade go up and down as often as you want. You don't have to lug out your ladder or step stool, and you don't have to just leave it down. You can use it as you wish. So the innovators at Hunter Douglas actually came up with two ways to motorize their blinds. So one is with the use of a remote control, but the other is their new soft touch system, which uses this wand. So if the window is hard to reach, but not necessarily completely out of reach, if you could reach the bottom of this window, you can simply operate the soft touch with the touch of a finger, as long as you can reach the bottom of this wand. So you can extend it a little longer to reach the bottom of the window if that helps you, but it's still a nice way to motorize the blind and not have a cord hanging. So thanks for tuning in. If you'd like to schedule an appointment, give our showroom a call, 631-423-5782, or message us on social media. Thanks, have a great day.